Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, children. See 8th class. See, earlier classes we have seen three properties. Number one, closure property, that is A, comma B, then A plus B belongs to N, like this. Then commutative property, A into B, or A plus B is equal to B into A. Then associative A, B, C, A plus B plus C, A is equal to A plus B plus C. So these properties we have seen with regard to whole numbers, with regard to natural numbers, with regard to whole numbers, natural numbers and rational numbers. Okay, with regard to rational numbers, with regard to natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, etc. Some of them, like closure property, commutative property, associative property. Now, today, three important topics which are essential for foundation for mathematics. Though these properties, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, you will become thorough. But these today's properties which we are discussing, A, B, C, D, these if you are not thorough, you will somewhere in mathematics, you will have difficulty. So these are, though they do not come you, like role of zero. See, role of a zero. See, zero is also called as an identity element of addition or additive identity. Like 1 half plus dash will give you half, half plus 0 will give you half. Likewise, minus 2 plus dash will give you minus 2, 0. Minus 2 plus 0 will give you minus 2. Likewise, a plus 0 is equal to a, 0 plus a is equal to a. Then 0 is called as additive identity. So now the question is one simple logic. This blue part, you take homework and write. I will scan and send. See, the question is, does set of natural numbers have additive identity? Like 0, 1, 2, 3. ये set को additive identity है क्या? Okay. So you think it over and answer. Then now the role of 1. So now set of natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3. ये set को does it have additive identity? Question mark. See, additive identity में number क्या है? You check up. Does it belong to that set? So ऐसा check करके you write the answer. Is this clear? हाँ. Now let us come to next question. The role of 1. 1. See, like जैसा water है, ऐसा universal solvent है. 1 is also one more number and 0 one more number, which are like very essential. So now 3 into dash will give you 1. 3 into 1 will give you always 3. Minus 2 into dash will give you minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 will always give you minus 2. Then 7 by 8 into 7 dash will give you 7 by 8. 1 will give you 7 by 8. So likewise, now that means multiplicative identity. This means 1 is the multiplicative identity for whole numbers. Now, see, does set of these blue mark questions you answer. See, here 1 is the multiplicative identity for in general for rational numbers. Okay. Q, you know, rational numbers. Now, does set of integers have multiplicative identity? Does set of whole numbers have multiplicative identity? So you think it over and answer. See, simple. Z में already 1 है. Any number multiplied with 1 will always give you the same number. Any number multiplied with will always give you the whole number का भी same answer. So yes. Now existence of inverse. Now see, third is an important property, existence of inverse. So see, existence of inverse मतलब उल्टा. Like let us say 1 है, 1 by 1, 2 है, 1 by 2. These are inverses you all are familiar with. So inverse मतलब उल्टा. आप numerator, denominator fractions में ऐसा लिखना. 3 को -3 लिखना. So now 3 plus -3 will give you 0. -5 plus 5 will give you 0. That means it is leading to 0. Now, one simple question is, likewise, 6 plus dash will give you 0. -6 will give you 0. You will be able to, like a small child, or you will be easily able to answer. But 2 by 3 plus dash will give you 0. 2 by 3 plus -2 by 3 will give you 0. Minus half plus dash will give you 0. Minus half plus half will give you 0. So that means additive inverse of, let us say, a number A is minus A, or number minus A's additive inverse is plus A. So A and minus A are additive inverses of each other. If the sum of the numbers is 0, then it is said to be there is existence of inverse, additive inverse, particularly which inverse? Additive inverse. Now your homework is for this, out of this 1, 2, third one, 2 by 3 plus dash is equal to 0, minus 1 by 2 plus dash is equal to 0, and this already I have answered. You write down. Now multiplicative inverse. So see, we have seen addition, subtraction, now subtraction to here, multiplication, multiplicative inverse. See, 2 by 7 are also called as reciprocal. See, 2 by 7 का multiply with what number? If you multiply, it will give you 1. 2 by 7 use simple terms. 7 by 2 डालो सर, डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर का डिनोमिनेटर में डालो, डिनोमिनेटर का न्यूमरेटर में डालो, 1 आ जाता. बट अगर माइनस रहा तो -1 into dash will give you 1, -1 into +1 will, -1 into -1 will give you 1. So उसी तरह यहाँ माइनस रहा तो यहाँ भी एक माइनस डालो, it will give you plus. So now 2 into dash will give you 1, 1 by 2. 1 into dash will give you 1, 1. So 4 into dash, 1 by 4 will give you 1. So this you understood. So if two products are, if two numbers are multiplied and if the resultant number is 1, then each of them are said to be multiplicative. If one number is there, the other number is said to be multiplicative inverse of the other. That is reciprocal. Reciprocal matlab ulta. You would have seen in numbers, fractions, etc. Now that is in general. If C by D is a number, reciprocal of A by B एक number है, C by D दूसरा number है. ये दो, if C by D is reciprocal, then A by B into C by D is equal to 1. That is a general rule. So multiplicative inverse of 4 and 1 by 4 are each other multiplicative inverse. Now homework. In this 17 minus 17 by 19 का multiplicative inverse, what is that? You denominator you write on the top and numerator you write below, and iska minus also you carry on because you have to get resultant answer in multiplication plus 1, so minus. So minus 1 ka plus minus 1, so 1 will give. So these are multiplicative inverses. And see, tomorrow we'll see, you will complete these 1, 2, 3, 4 homework. Today's video, see, tomorrow also, though it is a holiday, if possible, I will complete distributive property and go to exercise. Thank you, children.